Millions of local businesses are currently invisible. They are sitting on a gold mine of customers, but they don't have time to reach them. In 2026, AI has officially leveled the playing field. You don't need a huge team or thousands of dollars. Today, I am showing you 5 AI side hustles. These can realistically make you $500 a month. The window for these is wide open right now, but it will not stay that way forever. Let's unlock your next stream of income. Welcome back to Revenue Unlocked. I am your guide to AI-powered wealth. We have personally tested many of these methods. They are real, they are scalable, and they actually work. I want to make sure you get the best start, so please stay until the very end. Our 5th side hustle is the most underrated. It is the ultimate way to build quiet leverage. Let's dive into our first way to get paid. Hustle number 1 is AI marketing content. Most small businesses aren't bad at marketing. They are just overwhelmed by the workload. You will use AI to create on-brand content for them. This is not just about posting random images. It is about matching a brand's specific identity. Use a tool called Pamelli from Google Labs. You simply paste the business's website URL. It builds a brand DNA for them in minutes. Then, you polish the layouts in Canva AI. You are not designing from scratch. You are just refining and repeating. Charge a monthly fee for this consistent service. Hustle 2 is AI website building. This is the fastest way to turn AI into money. Most local shops have outdated websites, or they have no website at all. Building a site used to be slow and expensive. AI removed those hurdles almost overnight. Use a tool called Durable to do the work. You just type in the business type. In minutes, it generates a full professional website. This includes the copy, layout, and images. You just tweak the headlines to match the owner. You can charge $500 for one site. It is all about delivering a fast outcome. Hustle 3 is AI stock assets. This is a quiet and misunderstood play. That is exactly why it works so well. Every day, brands and creators need visuals. Most stock libraries are generic or outdated. Use Midjourney to fill this gap. Generate clean, commercial visuals for businesses. Think of lifestyle moments, environments, or emotions. Upload these to platforms like Adobe Stock. You earn a royalty every time someone licenses them. One image won't change your life, but a library of hundreds will pay you for years. Hustle 4 is AI thumbnail design. Every YouTuber is fighting for clicks. Thumbnails are the most important part of a video. Professional creators will pay big bucks for them. You can make $50 per thumbnail. Use Midjourney to create eye-catching backgrounds. Then use Canva AI to add bold text. Don't just vibe design based on feelings. Analyze viral thumbnails and model their success. Use the audit to deal process to find clients. Send a quick video showing how you would improve them. It is the easiest way to get your foot in the door. Hustle 5 is AI music and sound. This is the most underrated leverage on this list. We all listen to music while we work. Creators also need royalty-free music for videos. AI has removed the talent barrier for music creation. You don't need instruments or a studio. Use a tool like Music GPT. Just type in a prompt for lo-fi beats. In seconds, you have a high-quality track. You can sell sound packs on Gumroad, or start a Faceless YouTube channel for focus music. This is a faster path from sound to leverage. You now have 5 powerful AI strategies for 2026. You don't need to try all 5. Pick just one that speaks to you. Learn it properly and commit to the process. Let AI remove the busy work for you. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. We drop new AI money strategies every week. Which of these side hustles will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your progress. Check the description for links to the tools. Thanks for watching Revenue Unlocked. I will see you in the next video.